Hey guys, it's Desi. Welcome back to my channel. So I am back today with another lash haul and try on and review, and at the end I will be giving you guys a discount code to save 10% on every purchase. And I just want to say now, I know I've been doing a lot of like product reviews, product hauls and stuff. I will be getting back into doing makeup tutorials. Of course, those videos just take so much longer, like maybe like 4 or 5 hours to film. So just because of school and stuff, I haven't really had time, but I am trying to bring one to you guys very soon. So I really wanted to film this video today because I know buying lashes online is very nerve-wracking. I wouldn't say nerve-wracking, but like, it's like, what are they gonna look like in person? Are they gonna look like this online? And I actually did encounter one lash today that looked good online and looked crazy in person. And I also just love giving you guys product hauls. They're honestly so fun to film. And it's just an excuse for me to buy more stuff that I don't need. So yeah, if you guys want to know all the tea on DODO lashes, then keep watching. Okay, so for today's haul, I got a total of 4 lashes. These ones look all dusty and busted up because they have been sitting in my lash drawer for so long. I've never worn them before. They've never been cut or anything. They literally just got pushed to the back of my lash drawer and I discovered them the other day. And these 3 I ordered online. I will say the shipping was super fast. It came in maybe a week, a little bit over a week, and the bubble wrap that it came in is so cute. I don't know if you can tell, you can't really tell, but it's hearts. Like, instead of just your normal circles, it's hearts. So these are the 3 styles that I got online. You can't really tell just yet, but these ones are 3D and then these ones are not 3D. These ones are very flat and plain. So these 2 styles, D328 and D329, I got for $10. And then D326 was $12. But I'm looking at their prices right now, and I feel like the prices do fluctuate a lot because right now the original price is $30 and they're on sale for $12. And I don't remember if it was like that when I bought them, but I don't know. And then these ones go for originally $35 and they are on sale for $5. To be honest, I feel like that's a little bit weird. I don't remember ever seeing them cost that much. I feel like they usually cost like $16. I don't know, somewhere around there. But I feel like very suspicious. Like maybe they made the price seem so much higher to make it seem like this sale is really great. Like, wow, $35 and they're on sale for $5. But I don't think that's real. Anyways, let's get into it. So the first style that I'm gonna be trying on and showing you guys is D326. This is what they look like. As you can see, they are very fluffy, very 3D. And the hairs are separated like into their own little like bunches. And usually I'm not really much of a fan of that, but these looked really cute online. So I'm just gonna be cutting them to fit the size of my eye. Already, like the texture, I can feel that they are mink. In my opinion, when it comes to mink, it's kind of like a hit or a miss because the hairs are always like crazy and all over the place. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Like, the hairs do not just go in like one single direction. They're kind of just like all over the place, which I wouldn't say gives it a more natural look, but it's a very different look. But like, the hairs are kind of going over the band, which is showing me that they're gonna be touching my eyelids. So that's gonna be kind of annoying. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be cutting them just a little bit. I'm not actually cutting the hairs, I'm cutting that little extra piece right there that's hanging over. Usually I don't really ever cut my lashes. Almost always they fit to my eyes. Okay, so I'm putting glue on the lash, and as you can see, it's getting all over the fake lashes like themselves. And I'm literally just applying it to the strip. So as you can see, I put glue on the entire strip, and a lot of the lashes are covered in glue, which means that those lashes are going to be stuck to my eyelids. So that's not great. Okay, so it's on, but I mean, it's cute like from a distance, but if you look at it like super close up, it just looks like there's so much just like chaos going on my eyeball. Like, I mean, it's not that serious. Like, they do look cute, but I'm just not used to like all the hairs all over the place. But I mean, I feel like I could get used to it. Maybe if I brush them out. I'm just really having like mixed emotions about this one right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the other one and see how I feel. Okay, so from far, it does look cute, like it looks okay. It really like completes the look just because it adds that depth to my eye. But up close, girl, it's just like, it's a mess. Like, it just looks all over the place, in my opinion. Like, I personally am not a fan, but I mean, if you prefer like your hairs to look like this, like, girl, you do you. Like, who am I? My opinion does not matter. But personally, for me, I could not wear these. Like I just feel like it's a lot going on and it does not look like clean and put together. But maybe it's just not my thing, not for me. Like, they're cute, they're not garbage, but I just would not prefer these over a different pair of lashes. And one thing also is the fact that the hairs are all like in different directions and stuff, it kind of does make it harder to go on there and adjust the lash because the hairs are getting pushed all over the place. Like, when I was putting this one on, it was sticking all over the place. I just could not get it where I wanted it. So yeah, personally, I don't think I would purchase these again. But anyways, the next lash I'm going to be trying is D329. These ones are 3D as well. And the hairs are not as crazy as they are on these. These ones are more uniform and go in the same direction. They only go like in their own direction when it gets to the very end, which is not that bad. So these lashes are actually super pretty. I'm actually pretty excited to try these ones. So just like the previous pair, it does have like that extra little piece of band to it. So I'm just gonna be cutting that on both sides and then putting it on. Okay, so I actually really do like this one. It's very dramatic, but it's not like too much at all. But as you guys can see, like, it gives me a lot of length and volume. This is what it looks like. The hairs aren't as crazy like on the first one, but they still have length and they go their own direction and they're still very fluffy. And these ones were honestly so much easier to put on than the first pair. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the second one and show you guys what it looks like together. So as you just saw, they're super easy to apply. They go on almost perfectly. And one thing too is they're very lightweight. I know when you wear big lashes, everyone's always like, oh my gosh, like, are they heavy? And honestly, these ones are very lightweight. I think that's because they're mink. In my opinion, synthetic lashes are always a lot heavier than mink lashes. So this is what it looks like with both of them on. I actually really like this pair. These might be some of my new everyday pair. Okay, so the next ones I am going to be trying are going to be the ones that I've had for a while, which are the D208. I'm gonna hold off on the last mink pair, which are these D329, D328, because I feel like I'm gonna like these the most. So I actually want to wait till last so that I don't have to take off the ones I put on last and reapply, because I'm probably gonna wear those today. So I'm going to be trying D208. Honestly, I feel like these ones are not mink. They look more synthetic to me. Oh my gosh, I've had them so long, they're literally just falling off the plastic. So as you can see, they are not 3D. It's just one single strip. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. I don't think they look uglier, or like there's just different types of lashes. I don't think one looks better than the other. I like all lashes. All lashes are accepted here. So I'm going to be taking these off. I'm gonna be applying D208. That's one thing too that I would change, is I would just give the lashes like names, not numbers, because that's like so confusing. Like, what if you have a favorite lash? Well, I'm sure if it's your favorite, you won't forget. But what if you try a lash you like and it's like D367 or whatever, and you forget? That's so much harder to remember. Okay, so honestly, I didn't even measure them and they are a little bit too long for me, which is why I look crazy, because they're like bent. So I'm actually gonna cut them and then put them on. Okay, so this one's cute. It has length. It adds like some depth because they're very dark. They're just more natural than what I would usually wear, but they're cute. They're not ugly. Like, just me personally, I would stick to the 3D because it is way more dramatic. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the second one so that you guys can see what it looks like. Y'all, my poor lashes are going through it. They're on like their third layer of glue. Y'all, I will say these ones are so easy to apply, but of course, because it's just straight to the point, like there's nothing in the way, it's literally just a straight strip and you just... So they're not bad. They're not bad. Actually, like, I might wear these. They're actually pretty cute. I'm kind of feeling them. Like, now that I have both of them on, I'm low-key kind of feeling them. So this is what these ones look like. So if you like prefer more natural lashes, I would say these ones are a better option. Of course, if you don't want something as long, they do have like shorter ones, or if you don't want something as full, they have like less full ones. They have a lot of options. So the next ones I am going to be applying are D328. I'm actually really excited to apply these. I really think I'm gonna like them. So this is what D328 looks like. As you can see, it's not as full, but they are still 3D, but they are more put together. Like, the hairs go more in the same direction than not in the same direction. So I'm gonna rip these off. That one hurt. I'm telling you guys, my eyes are going through it. The glue is like caked on to my lashes. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but oh my gosh. Especially right here on the corner, bruh. This is what I go through to give you guys what you want to see. Guys, my makeup desk is a freaking mess. I have boxes on it, freaking containers, workout bands, textbooks, cat toys, lotion, hand sanitizer, lint roller. Y'all, I have an exam due today. What am I doing? Okay, go off. I knew it. This one is my favorite. It has a lot of length to it, but it's not very, very dramatic. The hairs are very sparse. Definition of sparse.
Sparse means thinly dispersed or scattered.
Yeah, the hairs are very sparse. So the length gives them the dramatic effect, but the hairs themselves are not over the top and doing too much. So this is really good for like an everyday casual kind of lash. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the second one. So this is a complete look with both of the lashes on. I honestly think out of all 4 pairs that I tried on, these ones are my fave. I definitely recommend everyone to purchase these. If you want like a dramatic, but at the same time natural everyday lash. And then I do want to tell you guys, I have purchased DODO lashes before. I've actually been using them for a while now. So they do live up to their expectations. They do last a long time if they're properly taken care of. Again, that's most lashes. As long as you take care of them right, they will last you relatively a long time. And I honestly think they're worth every dollar. Sometimes from previous orders, the shipping does take a while, but this time it was really quick, especially all the COVID stuff. I'm surprised that it got to me so quick. So yeah, I definitely recommend you guys to at least try out 1 pair. I will leave all the links to all the pairs that I tried on down below. And then I do have an affiliate code with DODO lashes in case y'all want to save some shmoneys. It is d.e.s.i. It's my Instagram username. So yeah, if y'all want to save some shmoneys, use my code and buy some DODO lashes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know I haven't posted in a long time, but I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not already. Head over to my Instagram and give me a follow, and I will see you all in my next video.